Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone. Make sure it has power and a network connection. This ensures updates download and alerts arrive. Next, check MUI in settings about phone and update if needed, because earthquake alerts require recent system components. Once done, enable location and allow notifications for system and safety apps so your device can detect your region and display warnings. These steps are essential, since without updated software and permissions, the alert system simply won't operate reliably. Now go into Settings and find Security and Privacy, then Emergency Broadcasts. This is the core menu. Toggle earthquake alerts on and pick how you want them delivered. Sound, vibration, and whether they show on the lock screen, choose all for fastest notice. Make sure region selection is correct. Either set your country or permit automatic detection via network and SIM. Doing this lets your phone receive region-specific seismic warnings distributed by authorities and deliver them in the manner you'll notice immediately. Finish by testing the setup. Run an emergency notification test so you hear and see how alerts appear. If the test fails, restart the phone and confirm background activity is allowed for system services, since restrictions can block delivery. If problems persist, clear the system UI cache, update carrier settings, and verify the SIM is active. Finally, reset network settings as a last resort. These steps resolve most issues, and if they don't, contact your carrier or Huawei support for region-specific broadcast assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.